Okay, I want to show you guys what we've been doing tonight. We've been working for about 3 or 4 hours. What this room is that you're looking at right now used to be the master bedroom, and it will be another master bedroom in the near future. But what we've essentially done is pulled everything that was in the living room out and into this room, and we have torn down the closet that used to be in this bedroom. And what we're going to do, we poked a hole through the door here. Of course, this hole is a lot bigger than it's going to end up being once we put a new door in. But we've torn down the studs, got all the old framing out of the closet, and so that's done. What we're going to end up doing is turning this entry hallway that used to be where the master bedroom entrance was into a full-size closet. And we're going to get rid of that door, wall it off, and be done with it. Then if you go through the future new bedroom from the living room door, we've picked up all the musty, yuck carpet. It was beige and ugly and stained, so we've pulled it all up, and this is what it looks like now. We came back in with a big heavy mop full of bleach and Murphy's oil soap, and in the near future my job is going to be painting the ceiling and then painting the walls. Then Jim and I will go down to Richmond, probably to the Floor and More decor store, and end up buying some new flooring, wooden engineered flooring. So you notice this opening here used to be a wall, and we're going to be putting a door into the bedroom. And the great thing about this new door space and the window that is now a door, when we first bought the house, is if you go all the way back into the computer room, there's one open space all the way through to the end of the house where the hallway branches off into the two different bedrooms. So this is going to make the space much bigger and have a lot more potential for airflow through the house, and create a better option for entering the master bedroom. So this is November 5th, almost 9 o'clock. We've been working for 3 or 4 hours straight, and we're pretty tickled about the progress so far.